SAP Value Lifecycle Manager. Increase on time, on budget, and on value performance. The SAP Value Lifecycle Manager site supports activities to help you achieve the expected value from your SAP investments. In this demonstration, you'll see how it helps you explore content in the context of your industry or line of business, take a benchmarking survey to assess key performance indicators, KPIs, and create a business case, enabling you to benchmark the health of your business, identify performance improvement opportunities, diagnose the causes of performance gaps, and develop high-impact recommendations for improvement. Explore content in the context of your industry or line of business. Patrick is the COO of PS Products Ltd., a global manufacturing company. Patrick registered for SAP Value Lifecycle Manager to assess the health of his organization, prioritize areas for improvement, and quantify the benefits of investment opportunities. Now, he logs on to start his value journey. In the Resources section, he can browse value management resources like industry best practices, value drivers, and executive overviews in the context of his business priorities. He can use this information to define the scope of his project when he is ready to create a new project. In the My Projects section, he can access projects that were created earlier. Patrick is interested in content for his industry, high tech. He can choose various priorities or strategic solutions to explore featured content. Under Additional Resources, he can learn more about how SAP solutions support business priorities for his industry or area of responsibility. And at the bottom, Patrick has a range of benchmarking surveys to choose from. He chooses a specific business priority, manufacturing and delivery, to see the surveys related to it. Take a benchmarking survey to assess KPIs. Now that he's explored high-tech industry content, Patrick has the background information he needs to create a new project for his company. He enters some basic information to define the scope of the value management initiatives his company is interested in. Patrick already has the manufacturing survey in mind and thinks he would like to create a business case for one of the value management initiatives. He chooses Save and Continue with Project to set up his new project. From this project, Patrick can assess other areas of business by enrolling in benchmarking surveys or by creating a business case. Now, he opens the survey catalog and selects Manufacturing and Delivery as the process area he wants to analyze for improvement. He chooses the Manufacturing survey and selects the plus sign to start the survey. He adds the survey to the project he just created. The survey opens, and after going through the instructions, Patrick starts working on the questions he needs to answer or collect data on to conduct the benchmarking exercise. Once he has the required data, he completes the survey and selects Show Results. SAP Value Lifecycle Manager checks to make sure the survey is complete. Patrick selects a peer group to see how his company's performance measures up with peer companies in the high-tech industry. Now Patrick can see the results of the benchmarking value assessment. The tabs for Executive Summary, Key Metrics, and Best Practices show how well the company is doing on KPIs and how well it is adopting some best practices compared with the rest of the industry. Patrick also can generate a PDF and save a version of the report offline. Create a business case. Based on the benchmarking exercise, Patrick realizes he needs to make some IT investments to improve some KPIs in manufacturing. He decides to start a business case to see what the ROI of the transformational project will be. The business case is stored in his project. After several engagements with SAP, Patrick can assess his projects at any time in the My Projects area, which is the single point of access for all his value assessments. He looks through the projects and selects the one he's working on. From here, he can open and view the business case as well as share the project with colleagues for input. As you have seen, SAP Value Lifecycle Manager lets you explore content for an industry or line of business, take a benchmark survey to assess KPIs, and create a business case.